Hey everybody, Justin Sainer here. This video is going to show you how to use Yakkyofy for Shopify dropshipping. And if you haven't tried this supplier out, you're really going to love this video. I'm going to show you all about Yakkyofy dropshipping and Shopify. And in fact, let's go over the shoulder. I'm going to show you the site real quick. This is Yakkyofy.com. You see the link directly below this video. And it's a really great supplier when it comes to drop shipping. I'm going to show you more over the shoulder, but I really wanted to show you this, show you the site again. The link is directly in the description. And this is all about drop shippers, especially for a lot of you in my audience doing Shopify drop shipping. You definitely want to check out Yakkyofy. I'm going to show you exactly why. But again, here's the site. You're going to be able to register directly over here for free and connect your Shopify store. And I highly recommend using them. I use them myself. A lot of great products. But let me tell you a little bit more just about drop shipping and really the keys to drop shipping success. And it's all about having full automation. Right? Drop shipping is really not about making a sale and then going to AliExpress or Walmart or Amazon and checking out on your customer's behalf. That's more like retail arbitrage. What we want to have is a real automated business, and that's what you get with a good dropship supplier like Yakkyofy, and they also integrate with Shopify. That's kind of most important for most of my audience, but they have other integrations as well, which just means that they can connect to a lot of different store platforms easily without you needing to mess with any code. Probably the best part, the thing that I like the best personally, or the thing that I look for the most with dropship suppliers, is that fast shipping and also fast processing time. I think a lot of people forget about that as well, but the processing, actually getting it to the shipment, right, getting out on the, whatever it is, the plane or the boat, however you're shipping, right, that is important. The processing time, and in the dropshipping case, of course, is always going to be air shipment. You want that processing time to be fast, right? And you need shipping to be fast, right? And you need it to get going as quickly as possible. But on the flip side, you see a lot of dropship providers that don't have fast processing times or really slow, untrackable shipping, which just is not acceptable anymore with Shopify. Really never was. Storage fees, hidden costs, right? Some dropship suppliers will actually charge you to hold the product. There'll be all these random hidden fees, monthly costs, all these kind of extra nickel and dime things that really add up. And a lot of people, or a lot of suppliers, also just kind of use plain boring packaging. Not that there's anything wrong with it. It's not going to fall apart or anything, but it doesn't help kind of bring your brand to the next level. And the key is really to find a dropship partner that understands these points and has solutions for each one of them. And that's why I'm showing you this video about Yakkyofy right now. And again, you see the link on the screen over here. This is the way you do dropshipping correctly. And I use them in my stores because of the reasons that I showed you here. So let's go over the shoulder. I'm going to show you exactly why you're going to want to work with Yakkyofy and why you're going to want to sign up totally free and integrate your store. And again, here's the site. Again, you see the link directly below this video, and you can learn all about exactly why you're going to want to use them, all the different types of kind of feature sets that they do, real-time quotations giving you the really kind of the most competitive pricing, private label products, fast shipping, their own shipping lines, shipment tracking, of course. Huge list of features, and you can go into detail really just in terms of reading exactly what's going on. And of course, it's totally free for you to sign up. You can just come right up here to sign up. But really the easier thing to do is go right inside your Shopify App Store, and you see their massive 4.5 out of 5-star reviews over here for the Yakkyofy app, and you can take a look at the video. But really it's all about that fast and consistent delivery times, private label products, and private label packaging, which is really great, and all of that automated order fulfillment. And really what we talked about, right? All the different pain points that are out there with dropshipping, Yakkyofy has kind of come in and built solutions for those, all in this free app. So come over here, just click Add App. You're going to be able to come back over to your Shopify store and simply install the store or sign up for Yakkyofy for the first time. If you don't have an account, we'll just come right over here, click Install App. And again, this is totally free to get started and make the connection into our store. And this sets up all the automation, right? This is the really great part about Shopify. I logged into my existing account. Really, the great part is that you're going to be able to have everything get connected automatically. Right? And we have the Chrome extension to make things easier. We'll be able to install that right into our browser. Of course, you need to be using Chrome for that. And then we could actually go ahead and import our first product. And there are a lot of different ways to find products with Yakkyofy. The bottom line is if you could find it, they can source it. So if you have a great product that you might be sourcing with someone else, you can definitely try to bring it over here, get better pricing and faster shipping. Something that everyone should pay attention to, coming over here into the hot product catalog. They do a really great job at using their data across, thousands of stores and data points and suppliers to really highlight the most popular products that they're able to source right now. And you see page after page after page of these products, and it's incredibly easy to get any of these products in the public catalog into the store. And there's, again, the ability here to upload an image, literally use image recognition technology. Basically, they'll scan the image and try to find it in their database, or you could put it in from any type of your typical supplier. They're going to go ahead and find it in their database. And again, this hot products thing shows you exactly what's out there. Let's say we go ahead and take a look at this outdoor LED lantern, popular for the summer, right? And find some details over here, find the pricing, right? Find the discount pricing in terms of getting that lower per quantity if you wanted to fulfill yourself, right? And the whole idea here is that all the information, of course, drop shipping, right? That's the whole idea, that we want to have these drop ship products. All of these products are just a few clicks away from your store, and they're fully automated. We also know that they're hot products just in terms of this category because we went into the Yakkyofy hot product section. So really, really powerful, literally everything right in front of you. And I really like this. They make sure that they have some really great imagery, right? Imagery is super important, obviously, especially when a lot of people are going to be selling the same or similar product. Having suppliers that take really good product images and provide them to you, massive advantage that you see here. Now, you want to add it to our store. Watch how easy this is. We've already connected our store, so we click drop shipping. It's going to prompt us. You might have multiple stores, but we'll select the one that we've connected. Simply click continue. Now we can bring over all of the different variants, or we can simply select the variants that we want to include. You see the little check marks on the side, and you'll note that each one has different pricing, and we'll also be able to take a look at the shipping as well in terms of the shipping cost. But here's the unchecking of variants if we wanted to, but I'm just going to allow all variants to come over here. Now we're going to have basically our country in terms of shipping. This is just going to talk about our shipping costs and our estimations for shipping. Come over here and be able to take a look at all the different shipping methods, and you'll be able to see all these tooltips as well when you sign up and kind of go through with a new store for the first time, which is what we're doing right here. Different shipping costs, different methods is going to allow you to kind of set up your shipping rates to make sure that everything makes sense, and really more importantly to understand your total cost, your total price for setting your price. So we're looking over here, product cost, total cost $31. Right now we could choose our margin, we could set our percentage, and we could simply just change things in our actual, product creator here. So we'll be able to increase numbers here. Okay, we have different pricing here. Go next. Literally review everything, give it our own title, choose the images that we want to show, and we could finally import or publish our product in there. You don't really need to worry about override too much. You could look into that after you've used this for a while. But import and publish is going to immediately publish the product, and it will be live. Import will simply send it over to Shopify, which is what we'll do here. And of course, we could have changed anything over here. And this is super relevant to all of you doing Shopify dropshipping. This is an incredibly easy, you see product successfully imported. This is an incredibly easy way to get everything going and get everything automated into your store with a really, really huge product catalog and ability to source and ship products through their own shipping lines. So something that can really build a great business backend for you, as these guys handle everything from product and shipping and fulfillment. I'm back over here in my Shopify store, and you see that the product was imported directly from Yakkyofy into my store. Of course, you see the images that are familiar to us since we just saw it. I didn't publish the product yet, so we could just preview it over here. But this is really all you need to do. Of course, you just publish it, or you could import and publish at the same time. This allows you to get these products immediately in your store. All the imagery, all the ability to have full automation go directly into your order section in the app. Basically, you'll be all inside of the orders section over here, seeing all the different orders. And again, they'll walk you through all that. But basically, you'll have orders fill in here automatically, which means they're in, again, the dropshipping system from Yakkyofy, which means you don't need to do anything else, right? That's the full automation, right? Order comes in, someone comes, buys this product, add to cart, checkout, blah, blah, blah. They pay for it. It automatically gets picked up over here in the order section, and then you'll see the status, right? Processing, packaging, shipped, delivered, etc. Right? You see the tracking number. So all of that is really shown right inside, all automated, fast shipping, right? Fast processing, really unique products. And it doesn't matter. I know a lot of you have animal stores, cat stores, dog stores, sports stores, family stores, outdoor stores, right? All these types of niches are going to be well represented inside of the product section over here. And, this is just the hot products. We can come over here and let's say we type in cats, right? Of course, we could go ahead and take a look at lots of different products related to cats that are available right now and ready to go. So really all you need to do is type in your niche or source a product from any place that you want, and Yakkyofy will handle all the fulfillment. So I highly recommend them. I've used them for a lot of great products, and they have a great setup there where you search the products all in their app, you link to your store, and then you're done, right? All you need to do is just be an entrepreneur, right? You need to make those sales, and Yakkyofy does all the rest of the hard work. So like I said, recommend it. The link directly below this video is going to get you into the app. It's totally free. You'll be able to create your own account once you've made that connection to your store, and from that point on, all you need to do is just add products. So really great app. Definitely install it right now. If you have any questions, please post a comment. I'll do my best to help. They also have great support as well. So you see the need help section down here. They get back to you ASAP. Very responsive. So I like that about them as well. But check them out. I know you're going to like it. I hope this helps you make some money, and I'll talk to you real soon.